Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Dell laptop battery indicator blinking constantly. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method. Press Fn key plus H on keyboard. So just press and hold Fn key plus H key on keyboard. So hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this problem. Recommend this method work for you, and hit like button and check out my description. There is the playlist for MS Office and for Windows and for Windows 10 tutorial. Thanks for watching.